We are at Mary Washington doing a drone camp where we are learning how to fly drones, how they work, what kind of jobs, careers that are involving drones, and how it's kind of evolving into the future.
There are so many careers that you wouldn't even think of that apply this skill to it. So we're giving our students an opportunity to take these skills and build upon them for future careers.
Well, right now I'm just doing some practice on the simulator. Oh, I just crashed. The software is called Zephyr. It's mostly for like training for search and rescue.
More and more agencies are adopting drone as a first responder, so that's like their whole job is they go around and they fly the drone when a call for service comes out. So in the next 10 years, you're actually going to see a lot of fields that are going to be opened up more and more to drone usage. And we haven't even touched on like media and music and film and TV. They're all moving more towards drones. And they're faster, they're cheaper, and it's not quite as intensive as having to get like a helicopter or something out.
We've got 4 different flight stations set up, 3 of which are designed by National Institute of Standards and Technology for drone flight certification for public safety professionals.
We have a couple of first responders here, so we have people from fire departments, police departments, sheriffs, people from the Pentagon, and even some military people here as well. The campers are actually staying in the dorm buildings, which is pretty cool. They got a campus tour. They get to be in a lot of different facilities that usually only students have access to.
We're so excited about this because these students are going to come back into our schools and work with our elementary students to mentor them on how to fly drones.
I'm excited to take this knowledge that I've learned here and the experiences, the friendships that I've made here, and take it back to Woodbridge to share it with my other fellow students, you know, not just high school, but middle school, elementary, my siblings, their friends, anyone who's interested to listen.